Hey cruisers, it's your girl Ebony Cruz from successwithebonycruz.com. Now in this video, we're going to talk about 5 steps to helping you turn your passion into profit. Now Oprah Winfrey once said, passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. Turning your passion or your industry expertise into profit is possible because let's face it, working for a company that devalues you or takes your skill set for granted is a thing of the past. Here's a few steps to help anyone take the knowledge that they already have and turn it into a sustainable income. So if you're looking to turn your passion into profit, you might just want to stick around for this entire video, as one of these steps may be the key driving force into helping you take off. All right, cruisers, let's just go ahead and jump right on into it. Starting with number 1, dream big, but start small. Turning your passion into profit can essentially be risky, but you can minimize the risk by starting small and planning carefully. In the early stages of launching a business, you're still in the learning stages, learning the marketing, the accounting, the sales, and so much more. Focus on tasks that are scalable. Once you see what works, continue to roll out and invest in rolling out your products and services in more significant ways. So let's keep on cruising with number 2, keeping your day job. Well, at least for now that is. But if you happen to have lost your job due to the uncertainties of the pandemic, be sure to check out my latest YouTube video on the top 5 side hustles of 2021 to get you going. Ideally, you won't want to quit your full-time job until your passion project is creating a sustainable income, growing cash flow of at least 75% of your current salary. Now, most entrepreneurs have a heavy appetite for risk. Totally understand. But be sure that when you decide to take the leap, that you are set up for success. Number 3, break down your big goals into manageable chunks. When turning your passion into profit, keep your goals small and attainable. Break down your big overachieving goals into small, manageable chunks. Think about items that you can set out and achieve immediately. For example, commit to working in your home office in the mornings at 5:30 a.m. As you develop a habit and focus on the process instead of the outcome, you'll begin to achieve more of your goals in a shorter period of time. So set your business up in phases, and each week create a manageable list of items that you can knock out of the park every single day. Number 4, focus on your strengths and outsource the rest. For most successful entrepreneurs who turn their passion into profit, they focus on their strength and find others to fill in the gaps. Not only is this a more effective business strategy, but studies show that people who use their strengths at work are happier, healthier, less stressed, more energetic, more confident, and yes, more engaged and creative. Ultimately, when we focus on developing our strengths, we grow faster and trying to improve upon ourselves. Are you a great designer but suck at accounting? Outsource accounting. Why learn the latest tax laws when you can just outsource it? Other things to think about outsourcing is social media activities, graphic designs, as well as tech services. If you're looking for assistance in tech services, be sure to check out the link in the description and maybe my team can be of assistance to you. All right, cruisers, so we've reached number 5. Don't sell yourself short. Trust me, when I first began working my business, I used to lowball myself all the time. And then realizing after all the work I put in for a client, that I should have charged more. Remember, your clients are paying for your expertise, your tools, your skills, and your time. So make sure you charge for it. My motto to all of my new students in the Professional Woman's Escape Plan is once you finish creating that course and delivering that product, be sure to charge $500 or more because you're worth it. But be sure to deliver a little bit extra. Trust me, the referrals will come. So there you have it. Fact of the matter, every skill can be monetized if you're smart about where your strengths are and quick to improve and outsource your weaknesses. What is something that you've always wanted to monetize but were afraid to do it due to procrastination? Put it in the comments and let us know. Also, tell us which tip was your favorite out of all 5. Love the content of this video? Consider subscribing and be sure to share with your friends. Let's keep cruising on to success until the next video.